sum of angles in triangle. Also known as sum of interior angles in triangles. This is because all the angles are located inside the triangle. The triangle shown here is scalene triangle, or arbitrary triangle, or any triangle. We may already have known that the total sum of angles in triangle is 180 degrees. The question is, how do we prove it? How do we prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees? Please subscribe for the answer.
Before that, please support us through Patreon, or PayPal, or the purchasing of our book on Amazon. Find the link in the description.
The proof departs from the theorem of alternate interior angles. This theorem was provided in our previous video. Find the link in the monitor, or in the description below. Moreover, the proof also departs from the definition of angle in a circle. The angle in a circle is defined as 360 degrees. That means, as can be understood from the figure, the angle in a straight line is 180 degrees. First of all, let us put a line parallel to the base of the triangle on point A. Let us call this line as line M. Next, let us focus on angle F, shown here in the red color. Angle F and angle B are actually equal. This is because both angles are actually alternate interior angles. Next, let us focus on angle G, shown here in the blue color. Similarly, angle G and angle C are actually equal. This is because both angles are also actually alternate interior angles. Since the total angles in the line M is 180 degrees, as previously discussed, then we find that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Herewith, we have proven that sum of interior angles in triangles is 180 degrees.
Please support us by buying our books, or by donation through Patreon and PayPal. The links are provided in the description. Our books can be obtained in electronic medium and as printing books. You can send the books as gifts for your beloved ones. Do not forget also to subscribe and